Hello students. Now in this particular video we are going to discuss about the next component of human circulatory system, that is blood vessels. Now in the previous video we have discussed about the blood and its composition and its functions. Now how does this blood flows? This blood flows with the help of blood vessels, because in humans we have closed circulatory system. Do you understand the meaning of closed circulatory system? Closed circulatory system is a system in which blood does not flow openly. It always flows in a closed chambers, pipes or tubes. So we have such type of system because we are having different types of blood vessels in our body. So our blood flows in these pipes only, in these tube-like structure. So in our body we have three types of blood vessels, that is arteries, veins and capillaries. Now what are arteries? Arteries are the thick walled tubes having, in this, blood flows with high pressure, and because of this reason it is having thick walls, so that when the blood flows through these pipes the walls do not get ruptured. It can bear that high pressure. Carries oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood is the blood which contains oxygen, so it carries oxygenated blood away from the heart to all the body organs. So basically arteries, what they do, they supply oxygenated blood from the heart to all the body organs, and it does not have any kind of valves. Valves are, you can say, these are the they prevent the backflow of the blood. तो जब already arteries में blood इतनी pressure के साथ flow करता है तो इसमें blood उल्टा लौटने का कोई सवाल ही नहीं होता. So that is why they do not have these valves. So these are the basic features of arteries. Now come to veins. Veins are thin-walled tubes, and in this blood carries with low pressure. And again, because the blood flows with low pressure, they do not need thick wall. And in this blood which is carried is deoxygenated, means blood does not contain oxygen, because blood is already transported oxygen to all the body organs. जब वो सारा ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई हो गया तो जो ब्लड लौट कर आया बॉडी ऑर्गन से वो कैसा ब्लड है? दैट इज डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. इट डज नॉट हैव ऑक्सीजन. टुवर्ड्स द हार्ट, इट गोज टुवर्ड्स द हार्ट, एंड फ्रॉम देयर इट गोज टू लंग्स. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट हैज valves. Veins have valves, okay? And of course because in this blood flows with low pressure, तो इसमें chances रहते हैं कि जब low pressure से blood flow करे तो कभी बार ऐसा हो जाए कि blood उल्टा flow करने लग जाए. So just to prevent the backflow of the blood, it has valves. So these are the two main blood vessels. Now the third one is capillaries. Capillaries are the thinnest blood vessels, ठीक है? So they are simply one cell thick. इतनी महीन, इतनी फाइन, इतनी पतली होती हैं ये कि ये इन तीनों में सबसे पतली अगर है तो ये है. Now what is their main function is they connects arteries to veins. See, to make you understand, I have drawn this simple diagram. Suppose these are arteries and these are veins. So between arteries and veins we have so many these fine capillaries. So blood flows through these fine capillaries always. Blood never goes from arteries to veins directly. It will always passes through these fine capillaries. So these are main three blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries.